Hi there, this is Tammy. Welcome back to my channel. This is my second project share video for Craspire.com for the products I received in the mail last week. On the previous video I reminded you that I got these 3 stamps. There's a T and a happy birthday and a little paw print with a heart, as well as these green pellets and this spoon. The pellets came with a spoon. Oh, they came with this spoon. And it says on it that it is half a teaspoon. The other ones that came with stuff didn't say that. And it also came with 2 tea lights. So today I'm going to show you how to do a card, a different card than I've done before. And then I have another fun project for you. So I have this stamp set. It's called 9 Lives. It's a cute kitty set. And I'm going to use this stamp. Upside down. It's a paw print with a heart. And I'm going to use it to attach, partially attach. I don't want it to move while I'm trying to put it down. So I'm first putting a glue dot under the very bottom of this. It says True Love Has 4 Paws. So I'm going to put this like this. I'm going to bring over my candle and one of my spoons. And this is a much smaller stamp, so I'm only going to use 1 pellet, and I'm using from my assorted pellets that I got before. I'm using a burgundy colored one. So there is, I'm going to melt that. I really have fun playing with this wax stuff. I'm looking for other ideas to do with it, so if there's something you would like to see me try that I haven't already done on one of my videos, please let me know and I will be happy to try it. I think it's just really fun to play with. Get that down in there. When I pour the wax on here, I thought I attached that. I didn't. My glue dot didn't work. So, as I was saying, when I pour the wax on here, I only want the very edge to get on here because I don't want it to cover up my words. But that's all it would take to actually hold it on there. So now I'm going to pour in a circular, I do kind of a circular motion to direct the wax where I want it to go. And I'm going to make sure I got my paw print going the right way and drop that in there. And this thing is heavy. It stays there all just fine all by itself. While I'm waiting on that, I will go ahead and add my kitty. Okay, so I gotta wait for that to sit for a minute, and I'm going to show you how to do one for a ribbon for a wine bottle. So once again, I'll need a glue dot. Get the wax off of there. A glue dot. Oh, it doesn't work when that's hot. There. Okay, so I have a wine bottle. And I can't get any farther away, so this is kind of awkward, but I'm going to take this and wrap it around. And I want it to cross like right here. So I'm going to put the glue dot on there. I can get it to stick. And then I'm going to take the other piece of ribbon and cross it. And then I'm going to take this off of here for a moment. And then I'm going to find, what color do I want to use this time? I think I want to use this color if I can find, or maybe I'll use this one because there's enough of them right there. This is kind of a, it's a metallic, and it's kind of a bronzy reddish color. So here's a spoon that I used a similar color in before. I'll take this and start melting. In my video I made the other day, I showed you how I did this card. And what else did I show you in that video? Oh, I made these rosettes. I finished these rosettes. And then I made a bunch of these. So, yeah, if I had one of the little doodads for this to sit in, I could have two of them going at once. And this would be a lot quicker. See if this guy's done. Oh, he's done. I really like this. And then I'm going to color that. Can't tell if it's in focus or not because I can't see it. But I'll color that with gold. With my gold pen. To make the heart. To make the heart pop out. The heart and the paw. Okay, now, you can't see this. I'm holding this flat with my fingers. And I'm going to pour this in the middle, trying to keep it circular. And this is a silicone mat that I'm pouring it on. And then I want my happy birthday. There. That is going to sit there. While we wait on that, I can show you how I clean these out. I just, when it's still wet or still melted, I just take a paper towel and fold it several times so you don't burn yourself. And if it isn't still melted, unfold my paper towel. Then I'll stick it in here and let it melt for a little bit. And then I'll wipe it out. That's nice and clean. I have one more. Oops, I had something on it. Something stuck to the bottom of that one. There. Those are all clean. Clean off the end of my paper piercer. and finish this card. That's what I could do while I'm waiting on this dimensionals. You do get soot on the back of your spoon, so you got to be careful about what it touches. When I did this the very first time, I had soot everywhere because I wasn't being conscious of what it was touching. Where was that? So I'm going to put this on here. We don't need this anymore. That on there. And I tied a tiny little bow with some white baker's twine. I doubled it up and tied it to put a little bow on its neck. I'm going to color this with my pen. And that makes it so you can see the heart and the paw print. And then on the inside, I just did the kitty. So there's that project. This just popped off of here, and being a silicone mat, it's going to pop off of there. I'm going to drape it over my wine bottle, and then cut the ends. So there's my wine bottle. It says happy birthday. I could color with this. Take this off of here. Look at the back. The ribbon is kind of absorbed into it. There, that makes that a little easier to see. So these are the two projects that I did today for my project share for Craspire.com. I'm part of their YouTube program, and all the links are listed below for the products that I used. I didn't say that in my other video. And there is a code where you can get 5%. I think it's 5%. There'll be a code listed down below where you can get a discount for shopping using my code. So thanks for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.